The engines on the island of Sodor like feeling responsible, reliable, and really useful. They work hard to complete their jobs on time. They don't like confusion and delay. But the freight cars delight in mischief, and their mischief causes trouble, as poor Henry found out one day. "Henry has had an accident and been sent for repairs," said Sir Topham Hatt. "There are no spare engines available, so Diesel will have to help until Henry returns." "Yes, sir," puffed the engines, but they weren't happy. You see, the engines didn't like Diesel. He was always being rude and always showing off. "I hope Henry's mended soon," said Percy. "He moves more freight cars than 3 Diesels put together," agreed Thomas. "Cars are no one's friends," huffed Gordon. The next day, Diesel was working at the docks. "When Sir Topham Hatt sees how good I am," he bragged to the freight cars, "he'll get rid of Steamies once and for all. Yes." This gave the silly freight cars an idea. As Diesel shunted them together, they started to sing. "Is that all you can haul? Henry's loads are longer. Is that all you can haul? Henry must be stronger." Diesel was cross. He was sure that he was stronger than Henry. "I'll push you all at the same time," he said. The cars giggled. "Push us all! That's the longest! Push us all! You'll be the strongest!" "That's me," said Diesel. "The world's strongest engine. Yes." And so Diesel shunted 5 freight cars together, then 10, then 15. Soon he had an enormous line of 20 cars. "What's Diesel doing?" cried Percy. "He thinks he's the world's strongest engine," replied Thomas. Diesel didn't know that the shunters had set the brakes on the freight cars. The cars knew this too, but encouraged Diesel to push anyway. "Push! Push! Push!" So Diesel pushed, and he pushed, and he pushed. But the freight cars didn't move, so Diesel decided to pull them instead. "Heave-ho! Heave-ho! You can pull, but we will go!" sang the cars. This made Diesel very cross. So he pulled, and he pulled, and he pulled, and then it happened. Help! "Grease and oil!" Diesel sulked as the freight cars laughed and laughed. Sir Topham Hatt looked down crossly at Diesel. "I thought that you would be a proper dockyard Diesel, but I was wrong," he said. "Can you make up for lost time, Henry?" "Oh, yes, sir," Henry replied happily. He backed up to the freight cars and the shunters released the brakes. Then Henry pulled away as easy as pie. And the engines cheered. Diesel was sent home in disgrace. But the engines had learned a lesson. "Even freight cars can do you a favor sometimes," said Thomas. "Like getting rid of a smelly old Diesel," puffed Percy.